asunto-osakeyhtiö esikkopiha.
It's Kielotie, combining a 17 sticks. I really need the 2 other sticks because they were replaced. But they're probably early space style. From 2013 is replaced.
KSS 280.
When was it built originally?
I don't know.
1980s maybe? We will check it later. The interior is actually not so bad. It
Yeah.
feels a bit like brass.
Yeah. It says 2014, but it's not so right.
No. With the wall here. With the walls.
Yeah.
But the interior has become bad already.
Yeah.
The capacity is 5 persons for 80 grams. The number is 116-36686. It will be inspected next year, 2024, when its replacement will be 10 years old. It has a door close button also.
Yeah.
Ja siinä Tikkurila Tikkurila Vantaa, Helsinki has hospitals also in Finland. And no information about what was here before.
Yeah.
Probably Kone or Valmet or this.
Yeah.
Maybe Valmet with similar pictures even.
Yeah.
But we need to check when it was built originally.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's